Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix there was a problem with the NVIDIA app error. So, if you're seeing this error when trying to open the NVIDIA app, here are the quickest fixes you can try on Windows. Press Windows plus R or simply go to the search bar and search for run, hit enter and search for services.msc. Hit enter and find NVIDIA display container ls. So, in this, we'll go to the N section and choose NVIDIA Display Container ls. Right click and click Restart. Do the same for NVIDIA Local System Container and NVIDIA Network Service Container. That are these one. So right click, click Restart. After this, your problem will be instantly fixed. Now if this doesn't work, press Windows plus R, open run command again and type in %local app data %, hit enter. This will open up this page. Here, go to NVIDIA. After opening NVIDIA folder, choose NVIDIA app and delete cache and webcam folders, then restart your PC afterward and that will instantly fix your problem. So these are the caches. You can delete them and that could fix your problem. Now, another way is running NVIDIA app as administrator. So search for NVIDIA, right click and click run as administrator. And this often fixes permission conflicts after updates. Now, what you can also do is update or reinstall NVIDIA app. So simply navigate to nvidia.com and choose drivers, then download the latest app installer. So you can search for latest app installer just from this page and that could also fix a problem. Now after trying out these, you can go to your settings, then click on Windows update icon at the top right and choose check for updates. Then click on download and install, and after you do this, outdated system patches can break the NVIDIA app, so this will instantly fix the problem. Now, what you can also do is go to settings, now choose system, choose display, choose graphics and remove custom profiles for your games or apps, then re-add them from just right here. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.